Hello, and in this video we're going to see what kind of connections the Hallow Queen has with the Tooth Fairy. Talk to you in a minute. Greetings, my friends! Welcome back to the channel. It is your Hallow Queen speaking. And today we've got a little unboxing from Amazon because when you're the Hallow Queen, and means you have some connections, and a certain person who's going to have some teeth pulled in order to get braces on before the world went to hell has lost several of them, and this is going to be her prize since the Tooth Fairy is practicing social distancing. This came from Amazon. For mere mortals, it comes to $20.90. It was purchased on May 31st, 2020, and was fulfilled by Amazon, but the store is New Craft, N-I-U Craft. This is now the 2nd of June, so it's come pretty quickly, and you can sort of tell by the sticker what this is going to be. I've got a frame. Oh, look at that.
That looks so pretty.
Yes.
And cute.
So this is a little special drill unicorn.
Special drill.
Special drill, yes. These are not your ordinary drills. Look.
Oh my god, they're so sparkly and beautiful and almost see-through.
Well, that's interesting. The kit, the pen doesn't have the brass tip in it.
Maybe it's a unique part of the store. Or
maybe they figure you need more surface area for the special drills?
that would make sense.
It comes with its own little frame, so once she's done with it, she can put it right in the frame. It said in the listing that the frame was random color, but showed white, so we did get a white one, but you may not always get white with yours. And these are special drills, so they're not your standard DMC color drills. These are crystals or rhinestones, or however you want to call them. So let's take a look and see
I think rhinestones it makes it sound so much more beautiful.
Okay, so what have we got here? Does it say how many colors there are? It does not say. There's no inventory sheet or anything on here.
Oh, it shows the letters and stuff for this.
Yeah, so it's got the symbols right on the bags, but it doesn't have an inventory sheet or a scan or anything, so we may have to work directly out of the bag.
That's weird.
Okay, that one's got some little pink crystal rhinestones, some bigger ones. They look like they're the exact same shade, but those ones are definitely bigger. Some little gold ones, some bigger gold ones.
Is it just me, or do I want to see what they look like in the trash can?
It's just you. Some small sky blue ones, some bigger sky blue ones, some small white ones. There's some clear, rather, not white. Some bigger clear ones. Some even bigger clear ones. There's small. That looks like more of a standard round drill size there. And those ones are larger. Also white. So regular, not AB. Those are just regular shiny drills. Some black in small and slightly larger. Some small pink. Didn't we already have pink?
Yeah, we already have pink, but there might be multiple shades.
Yeah, this is a lighter shade. Okay, some slightly larger pink and some more white ones. Interesting.
Yeah.
So we got different sizes, different colors.
This is so
rhinestones.
Unique.
It's very different.
It might not be unique for some people, but this is so unique to me.
Yeah. And this is going to be your project. So let's take a look and see how big this is. Don't know what size it advertised. The canvas, let's use both measurements so we can speak to all, is a little hair over 8.5 inches, about 22 centimeters. By 6 3/4 or 17 centimeters. The actual drilling area is 15 centimeters or 6 inches by 8 inches or 20 centimeters. So it's just a little guy. Emily didn't want anything too big. She found that Snow Sisters was way too big for her, but this is about double the size of the little sampler kits we were getting from Diamond Dots. So I think this is a good step up for her.
Yeah, I feel like I'd be able to do this. Not all in one night, definitely not, but I feel like this would be fun.
It's got, the symbols are pretty clear. I wish I had a sheet to make sure we had everything, but, and that looks like you're supposed to cut it out when you're done and stick it in a frame. So it's a nice all-in-one project.
You don't even need to get a frame.
So, what do we say to the Tooth Fairy?
Thank you.
All right. Thanks so much for joining us. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't already, because I got more mail that's going to be coming up. Bye-bye.